In 2026, the gap between content creators using AI tools and content creators not using AI tools is no longer a productivity gap. It is an income gap, a reach gap, and a quality gap that compounds every single week. Think about what your content creation week actually looks like right now. You spend 2 to 3 hours writing a script that an AI tool produces in 2 minutes. You spend 3 to 5 hours editing a video that an AI tool edits in 30 minutes. You spend 45 minutes every single day manually posting to social media that an AI tool schedules in one batch session per month. And while you are grinding through all of that manual work, your competitors, who figured out the AI tool stack 6 months ago, are publishing 3 times more content at higher quality with a fraction of your effort, and their channels are growing at a rate yours simply cannot match without the same tools. This video is the reset. This video reveals the complete updated AI tool stack for content creators in 2026. Not the tools everyone was talking about 2 years ago, but the exact tools that are inside the workflows of the highest output, highest earning content creators operating right now. This video is for any content creator, whether you have 10 subscribers or 10,000, who wants to produce more content at higher quality in less time and turn that content into real, consistent income. By the end of this video, you will have the complete 8-tool AI content creator stack, with exactly what each tool does, what it costs, and one specific time-saving or income example for each one, so you can see immediately what adding it to your workflow would change. One thing before we get into the tools. Stay with me until tool number 7. It is the most underused tool on this entire list and the single one that multiplies the reach of every other tool simultaneously without requiring any additional creation effort from you. Most content creators have heard of it, and almost none of them are using it the way it was designed to be used. It is the difference between one piece of content reaching one audience and one piece of content reaching 7 audiences automatically. Tool number 1 is Claude, and it sits at the foundation of every high-output content creator workflow in 2026, because it eliminates the single most time-consuming, non-creative task in content creation, which is writing. Claude writes complete video scripts in under 2 minutes from a single detailed prompt. It writes all your social media captions for every platform in under 5 minutes. It writes your email sequences, your content calendar for the entire month, your YouTube descriptions, your pinned comments, and your content strategy without you staring at a blank screen for a single second. The creative decisions are still yours. The research is still yours. The ideas are still yours. But the actual writing, the 3 to 4 hours per video of putting words in the right order, Claude handles in minutes. Cost is $20 per month for Claude Pro. Specific example. A faceless AI tools creator uses Claude to write all scripts for 3 YouTube videos per week, plus all social captions, plus all email content. Total writing time per week drops from 12 hours to 45 minutes. That is 11 hours and 15 minutes per week returned to income-generating activities permanently. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs, and it is the tool that makes professional audio content production available to any content creator regardless of their equipment, their voice, their recording environment, or their experience with audio production. ElevenLabs converts any Claude-written script into broadcast-quality, human-sounding audio in under 10 minutes using an AI voice that sounds indistinguishable from a professional human narrator. That audio becomes your YouTube voiceover, your podcast episode, your course narration, and your short form content audio without a microphone, without a studio, and without any recording experience required. Cost is $22 per month for the creator plan. Specific example: a faceless business automation channel uses ElevenLabs to produce 3 complete YouTube voiceovers per week. Total voiceover production time drops from 0, because they could not do it without AI, to 30 minutes per video. The channel generates $1,800 per month in YouTube ad revenue that was previously impossible because the creator had no way to produce professional audio content without this tool. Tool number 3 is Descript, and it eliminates the most technically demanding and time-consuming part of video production for any content creator who has ever opened a traditional video editing program and felt immediately overwhelmed. Descript transcribes your video automatically the moment you import it. You edit the video by reading the transcript and deleting the words you want removed. Filler words and silences are removed automatically with a single click. Captions are generated and styled automatically. Your finished video exports in a fraction of the time traditional editing requires. Cost starts at $24 per month. Specific example: a content creator producing 2 YouTube videos per week previously spent 4 to 5 hours per video in traditional editing software. With Descript, total editing time drops to 45 minutes per video. That is 6 to 8 hours per week returned permanently from a single tool change that costs $24 per month. Tool number 4 is Midjourney, and it is the visual content production tool that removes the 2 largest barriers content creators face when it comes to professional quality visual assets: the cost of hiring a designer and the time required to learn design software. Midjourney generates professional quality images, thumbnails, social media graphics, digital product covers, and brand assets from text prompts in under 60 seconds. A thumbnail that previously required a Photoshop skill designer charging $50 to $150 per design is now a 60-second Midjourney prompt that produces 4 high-quality variations to choose from. Cost is $10 per month for the basic plan. Specific example: a content creator producing 4 YouTube videos per month previously spent $200 per month on thumbnail design. With Midjourney, the total visual asset cost drops to $10 per month, and production time drops from outsourcing turnaround time to 60 seconds per image. Annual saving from this single tool change: $2,340. Tool number 5 is Canva, and it is the tool that takes every Midjourney image and every piece of written content and transforms it into a professionally formatted final asset ready for every platform without requiring any graphic design skill or experience. Canva applies your saved brand kit, your fonts, your colors, your logo, to every piece of content automatically. Text overlays on thumbnails. Platform-specific sizing for every social network. Presentation slides. PDF lead magnets. Email headers. Every visual deliverable a content creator needs formatted correctly for every platform in minutes rather than hours. Cost is $15 per month for Canva Pro. Specific example: a content creator maintains consistent brand visuals across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook using Canva templates built once and applied to every new piece of content automatically. Brand consistency that previously required a dedicated designer is now maintained by a single person in minutes per week. Tool number 6 is Publer, and it is the tool that eliminates the daily manual posting work that consumes between 30 and 60 minutes of every content creator's most productive morning hours every single day. Publer connects to every social media account and lets you schedule an entire month of content in a single 2-hour batch session. Your content goes out at the optimal time on every platform automatically without you logging into a single account manually after your scheduling session is complete. Cost starts at $12 per month. Specific example: a content creator posting daily across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook previously spent 45 minutes every morning on manual posting. With Publer, that 45 minutes drops to zero. Annual time saving: 273 hours of morning manual posting returned permanently. Before we get to Tool 7, I want to make sure you understand why this one matters more than any other tool on this list for content creators specifically. Every other tool on this list makes your content better or faster to produce. Tool 7 makes every piece of content you have ever produced work harder and reach further automatically without you creating anything new. It is the most underused tool in the creator space and the one that changes the entire reach math of your content operation the moment you turn it on. Tool number 7 is Opus Clip, and it is the content multiplication tool that turns every long-form YouTube video you produce into 7 to 10 short-form clips formatted for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts automatically, without you watching a single second of footage or making a single manual edit. You upload your finished long-form YouTube video to Opus Clip. It automatically identifies the 7 to 10 highest engagement moments in the video. It cuts them into vertical short-form clips. It adds animated captions. It scores each clip by predicted viral potential. It delivers finished clips ready to distribute across every short-form platform. One production effort becomes a full week of multi-platform content automatically. This means every video you have already published on YouTube is a source of short-form content you have not yet created. Your entire back catalog is a short-form content library waiting to be activated. Cost starts at $19 per month. Specific example: a content creator producing 2 long-form YouTube videos per week uses Opus Clip to automatically generate 14 to 20 short-form clips per week that are then scheduled through Publer across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The short-form distribution drives an additional 15,000 monthly views to the creator's YouTube channel from TikTok and Instagram traffic, generating an incremental $1,200 to $1,800 per month in additional ad revenue and affiliate clicks from content that required zero additional production effort beyond uploading the original long-form video. Tool number 8 is Kit, and it is the tool that transforms your content audience from passive viewers into active buyers who generate income for you every month through automated email sequences that run without a single manual email ever written or sent after the initial setup. Kit captures email addresses from your YouTube video descriptions, your social media bios, and your ManyChat keyword triggers. Every new subscriber immediately enters an automated welcome sequence that delivers your lead magnet, builds trust over 7 days, and introduces your paid offers, your affiliate recommendations, and your digital products without your involvement at any step. As your list grows, every income stream grows proportionally because every new subscriber is automatically introduced to every monetization opportunity you have built. Cost is free up to 10,000 subscribers. Specific example: a content creator with a kit email list of 1,000 subscribers generates $900 to $1,400 per month from automated email sequence promotions covering affiliate commissions and digital product sales without writing a single manual email in any given month. Now let us look at the total weekly time transformation when all 8 tools are running simultaneously. Writing time drops from 12 hours to 45 minutes. Voiceover production drops from impossible to 30 minutes per video. Video editing drops from 4 to 5 hours to 45 minutes per video. Visual asset production drops from outsourced turnaround to 60 seconds. Content distribution drops from 45 minutes daily to 0 daily. Short-form content production drops from 3 to 4 hours of manual editing to fully automatic. The conservative total weekly time saving when all 8 tools are running is between 15 and 25 hours per week, returned permanently from a tool stack that costs approximately $122 per month combined. If you are adding tools to your creator stack today, 3 additions will have the highest immediate impact. Add Claude first, because every other tool on this list produces better output when it has high-quality Claude-written content to work with. Add Opus clips second, because it immediately multiplies the reach of every video you have already published and every video you will ever publish from this point forward. Add Kit third, because every subscriber you are not capturing right now is a future buyer you never get back. And every week without an email list is compounding revenue you can never recover. If this breakdown gave you a clear picture of exactly which tools to add to your creator stack in 2026, hit the like button and subscribe for new AI income videos every single week. Grab the free AI Tools cheat sheet in the description below. It lists every tool from this video with direct links, current pricing, and affiliate program details, all in one place so you can start building your AI creator stack today. Next video, we are breaking down exactly how to automate your email marketing so completely that you never write a manual email again. Not a newsletter, not a follow-up, not a sales email. Nothing manual ever again. You will not want to miss that one. See you there.